Hi, my name is Ellen Hickey. Today I'm going to show you how to make an adjustable, portable sneeze guard or a partition. You can use this if you are assessing children or at your front desk of your school office or anywhere where you think you might need a sneeze guard. Let's get started. To make this partition, you're going to need one acrylic sheet or plexiglass. This one is 18 by 24 inches. You'll need 4 shelf brackets. These are 9 by 11. You'll need 32 inches of sticky back Velcro tape. Nylon zip ties, these are 8 inches. A tape measure, scissors. Now, if you can't find acrylic or plexiglass at your local Home Depot, you can always go to Michael's or Joann's and get a poster frame. It has the acrylic inside of it. Now that you have all your materials together, let's assemble it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put the fuzzy side of the Velcro along the long length of your shelf bracket. We need 8 inches, so we'll cut it roughly at around 8 inches. Now, since this is divided, we're going to want to cut our fuzzy Velcro in half so it will span both of these strips. What we'll do is we will peel this off and apply it from top to bottom along the outside of one strip. And we'll put the other strip on the other side, like that. Okay. Now take the rough side of the Velcro, peel the back off, and place it on your plexiglass. Once you have it adjusted on your plexiglass, just press it down to stick. After you've done all 4 of your brackets with the fuzzy side on the long side of the bracket and 4 of your strips, one on each side of the plexiglass and at either end, you're ready to assemble. Next, you're going to prop up your plexiglass sheet on a block. Take your 2 brackets and attach them to your Velcro and just press them on. You'll use your zip tie, slide it through the holes, connect it, and that's going to hold them together, and then just trim it with your scissor. We're almost finished. All you have to do is remove the plastic protective sheet, take it off your block, and now you have a perfect pass-through to provide materials, papers, that kind of thing. So I've made this so that it's perfectly portable. But if you want it to be more permanent, or at least more sturdy on your table, you can either put the Velcro right onto the table and then attach it to the bottoms of the brackets, or you can use something like a Gorilla mounting tape or a more firm Scotch adhering fastener. To adjust your partition, all you have to do is remove the legs, and you have plenty of Velcro here that you can secure the partition to be at any height. Before and after, every time you use this with a student or a guest, you want to be able to clean it with a disinfecting wipe. Do both the brackets and the glass, and then finish up by cleaning the glass with a glass cleaner. Because I work in 3 different schools, I need my partition to be very portable. So to break it down, all you do is pivot the legs and take them off of the plexiglass sheet. I bought an artist portfolio, and so I put the plexiglass sheet inside along with the legs, and I'm good to go. The cost of these items, most of which I got at Home Depot, was the plexiglass is $14. The shelf brackets were $1.98 each. You'll only need 36 inches of the Velcro adhesive tape, and that cost $3.49 at Michael's. The zip ties were $2.60 for a grand total of $28 for this project. If you want to use the poster frame from Michael's, that was an additional $2 for a total cost of $30. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, please feel free to share it with anyone else who you think might need a partition or a sneeze guard. such as other school psychologists, speech and language therapists, or educational evaluators. And if you like the video, please click like below. Bye.